Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to another interesting video. In this video, I'm going to discuss question which is on ratio. So here we have three friends Ali, Asghar, and Jafar invested Rs of 2 million to start a plastic factory. Ratio between their share is 5:8:12. Find the share of each person. So here we have the solution for the given question is given ratio is 5 ratio 8 ratio 12. So the sum of the ratio will be, first we have to sum up the ratio. Sum of ratio will be 5 plus 8 plus 12, which is equal to 25. Now to find out the share of each person, so we can write share of first person is equal to 2 million multiplied by share of first person is 5, so plus 5 divided by 25. Now if we multiply 5 divided by 25 with 2 million, so 25 cancel with 200 plus 200, here we get 8. So now 80,000 multiply 5, we get 400. So we get 400,000. Share of first person is 400,000. Now to find out the share of second person, so we multiply 2 million with 8 divided by 2. So from here we get 80,000 multiplied by 8. 25 cancel with 200. From here we get 8. So 80,000 multiplied by 8 is equal to 640,000. So the share of second person is 640,000. Now to find out the share of third person, so we multiply 2 million with 12 divided by 25. So from here we get 25 cancel with 200. So from here we get 80,000 multiplied by 12, and if we multiply 80,000 with 12, so we get 96. So here we get 960,000. So we can say the share of first person is 400,000 rupees, or else we can write, and the share of second person is 640,000 rupees, we can write RS, and the share of third person is 960,000 rupees. So that's all about this question. Now we have one important question for exam point of view, and this is divide the annual profit of 400,000 of a factory among three partners. Here we have three partner in ratio of 5:8:12. So the solution of given question is given ratio is 5:8:12. So the sum of the ratio will be sum of ratio Sum of ratio is equal to 25 because 5, 8 and 12 become 25. Now to find out the profit of first person, so we can write 400,000 multiply by 5 and divide by 25. So from here we get 25 into 16, so 16 into 5 is 80,000. And similarly the profit of second person is for 400,000 multiplied by 8 divided by 20 25. So from here we get 25 cancel with 400, here we get 16, so 16,000 multiplied by 8. So from here we get 16 into 8 is 128,000. And similarly the profit of third person is for 400,000 multiplied by 12 divided by 24. So from here 25 with 400 cancel with 400, from here we get 16,000. So 16,000 multiplied by 12 become 192,000 rupees. So we can write RS. So hence the profit of first person is 80,000 rupees. Profit of second person is 128,000 rupees, and similarly the profit of a third person is 192 rupees. So this is all about today's lecture, and this question is very important for exam point of view.